Yo, what's up guys, this is Incognito Production, and today I'm gonna show you how to make drop like Will K, Miyu, Trampoline. Let's get started. It was automation of pitch, and now a little bit of synthesis. You can see one oscillator, wave pulse, one voices, retrig. Then you can see filter type, low pass, 24 decibels, small drive, filter control, and so on. Modulation envelope 1 need to send to cutoff filter A and B, small distortion, and adjust portamento. Here Saturn works in the equalizer style and gives density to the bass. Classic EQ for remove unnecessary frequencies and sidechain. Two layers, first layer this is main plug, and second layer for attack. Okay, what about synthesis? You can see one oscillator, octave plus 3, wave, pulse, 8 voices, detune, retrig. Then you can see filter type, low pass, 12 decibels, and small drive. Next, filter control, modulation envelope 1, send to cutoff filter A and B, and modulation envelope 2 need to send to pitch A and B. And I almost forgot, AMP envelope A need adjust to very short. Second layer, almost identical to the first layer. There is one important change. This is modulation pitch. Sound processing is the same as in the first one. Samples and presets from here you can download for free in the description. Have a nice day. Bye.